So, running to work this morning, I saw a rainbow and it made me think about the phrase chasing rainbows. And now, you usually use this phrase to tell someone when they are seeking an impossible goal. It means going after something that is totally beyond your reach. But there's a lot of people who see this phrase as a get out clause in life, thinking that some miraculous thing is waiting for them, and with a bit of luck, things will turn out just fine because they deserve it. Just so you know, a rainbow is an arc of colour in the sky that can be seen when the sun shines through the falling rain. It cannot be touched, felt or held because it is a visual effect created by sunlight and water droplets in the air. So, if somebody is chasing rainbows, he or she is chasing or going after something that is an illusion. The most famous origin of this phrase that most people know is of the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, which is about a farmer and his wife from Ireland. The story goes that as they pulled their last carrot out of the garden, they found a leprechaun hanging from the roots who promised them a wish in exchange for his freedom. So the couple greedily began wishing for everything: gold, new tools, jewellery, horse, cart, a house, and the list went on and on of all these materialistic things. Shocked by their greed, the leprechaun told the husband and wife that they can have everything that they wish for if they could find his pot of gold hidden at the end of the rainbow. The lying little leprechaun gained his freedom and left the farmers to chase rainbows forever, looking for a lie and a fictitious fortune. This tale reminds us that relying on luck, magic, chance or greed is a recipe for disaster. Instead, you have to work hard and make strategic moves, build on emotional and financial stability for yourself instead of wasting time, energy and money searching for some bullshit pot of gold that you will think will solve all your problems. Everyone needs to be aware of chasing rainbows in their life. From an early age, we are taught to chase fantasies, but as we grow up, we must separate them from reality and what we really dream about. Rainbows are ideas that deep down we know are not real, but we trick ourselves into believing that they will make everything okay. Stop going round chasing rainbows. Trust me, it's a rewardless quest. Instead, work hard, keep focused, and only use the phrase, don't live by it. Peace!